In this tutorial, we'll capture video from a webcam, convert it into grayscale, and save it as a video file using OpenCV. Again, first we import the OpenCV library using the OpenCV2 function. Then we create a video capture object with cv2.videoCapture. Here, the argument 0 means we are reading it from a default webcam. We then check if the camera is open successfully using the cap_is_open function. If it fails, the program cannot open the camera and it exits the loop. Next, we define the video codec using this function. This helps us save the output in an AVI format. Then we create a video writer object with this function. Here, the field which says 20.20.0 represents the frames per second, and the field where it says 640, 480 means the resolution of the video that's going to be captured. And this function over here says that we are saving it in a grayscale format. Inside the while loop, we continuously read the frames from the webcam using this entire function. Now, if it fails, and if it fails to record any frame from the webcam, it exits the loop. We then convert every frame captured from the webcam into a grayscale image that we already know about using this function, and then the grayscale, and then we display the grayscale image using the IamShow function. To check if the user presses the button Q to exit the loop, we've used this entire command line. And then at last, after exiting the loop, we release the camera and the video writer objects using cap.release and out.release. And at the end, we destroy and we close all OpenCV windows using this entire function. Let's try this program once. This is the entire webcam image that is capturing right now. And as you can see, it has saved a .avi file which has the same output in grayscale. And that's how you capture and save live grayscale video using OpenCV. Thank you.